In full battle gear, Army soldiers raid this three-story building inside the Mindanao State University past midnight on Monday. Several people are rounded up. The men are made to sit on the floor, face the wall, their hands tied behind their backs.
Wala po kaming alam, tulog po kami nung dumating po sila. Pinalalabas po kami lahat, pinadada pa kami.
Dire-diretso silang pumasok tapos hindi nila sinabi kung anong kailangan nila.
Binuksan ko na lang yung pintuan namin para hindi niya sirain, para hindi magulat yung dalawang anak ko.
Police investigators then searched every room, opening drawers, overturning beddings, combing through personal belongings.
Pasensya na po kayo kasi alam mo trabaho lang namin ito.
The search operation in this building, right inside one of Mindanao's most prominent schools, is part of a continuing crackdown of government against suspected extremists and their sympathizers. But occupants of this building insist they have nothing to do with any of the lawless groups. A number of those interrogated are college students, including a member of the faculty. One student asks to see his mother. Others do not know how to react.
Para mapunta niya ako dito. Saka wala akong alam dito, sir.
Natakot po ako, sir, kasi baka may nangyari sa akin na masama.
The PNP-CIDG presents a court order to search for drugs, illegal firearms, and explosives. Maute followers, they say, are also hiding in the building. They did not find one, but instead retrieved these two suspected bombs, which the building's owners claim are planted.
Allahu Akbar.
Ni hindi ako umahawak niyan eh. Itong mana ko, walang alam, hindi pa sila nakahawak ng baril.
Those held for questioning are eventually freed without charges being filed against them. Police officials are now saying their targets could have escaped. In Marawi City, David Santos, CNN Philippines.